In this video, I am going to show you how to upload your course on Udemy. If you are working on a particular course and you are done recording the lessons and you want to upload each of the lessons on Udemy, this is how you go about it. So assuming you have already created the title of the course, which you must have done, all you need to do is to go to the course here, click this one, edit stroke manage course. This is going to open a new tab, which is what we can find here. All you need to do is to look for curriculum, and before then you must have fill up those pages, which is the intended learners. You must have fill up what the student will learn in your course. This is what we student learn in your course. So the lowest you should put here is 4, but you can put more than that. You must enter at least 4 learning objectives or outcome that learners can expect to achieve after completing your course. This is where you put them out, what people will learn from your course or what the outcome that they will get when they go through your course. So when this new tab open or new page open, just go to curriculum, you click on it. This is going to load up and open here. I've already uploaded some of the lessons, so I just want to show you how you upload any lessons. And by default, your first lesson is always free for students to go through. You can see this one is free. Free preview means you can't do anything about it. It is always free. Udemy, that is how it is done by default. It is always free. So you must give students 10 minutes free access to your course. This one is just 6 minutes, and I must give another video that is not less than 4 minutes so that it will complete 10 minutes. That is how it is being done on Udemy. Okay, so I want to upload a particular lesson, which is this one here. I love putting assignment in most of my courses. If it involves Excel or any practical course, I love including assignment. It has helped me so far. Most of my students love it. So because of that, that feedback make me always include assignment. Now, this is how you upload a particular lesson or upload your course on Udemy. You click on content, then you go to videos. Since it is a video course, you go to video, then you go to select video. This will take you to wherever that particular video is. Mine is in a folder. Let me look for it. Yours might be in desktop or anywhere it is. Okay, this is my own here. This is the particular one I want to upload. Then you click open. You can see this thing. This will load up to 100%. Then it will tell you processing. Okay, so it has finished uploading. The next thing you will see when it reads 100% is processing. This processing means Udemy is trying to go through the video and to see the quality of the content. If it is good, it will automatically upload, but sometimes you can wait for it to show, but it does not really matter. You can leave. For the record, I hardly get any email. We will send you an email when it is ready. No, whenever it is ready, it just join other lessons, so you don't need to wait for them to send you an email. Automatically, when they accept the video, it will just add up to the other lessons. Now, I want to also include a resource material. This is an assignment, and the assignment has to do with a data set. So I want to include that with this particular video lesson. What I will do is to come here, and this is not really compulsory. It is not compulsory. Most times, students may not even see this to read. What I want to do, I want to include a file alongside with this particular video. I will click resources. Here, I want to upload a file, which is a data set for this assignment. Here we have it, assignment 1. Okay, so this will upload. This one always upload very fast. You can see it always faster because it is the weight is light, so it's always faster. For this one, it takes time. So there you have it. I've just showed you how to upload your course on Udemy as a course creator. It's a very easy process, not really something that you need someone to teach you. But I just had to do this because someone in my private community, one of my students asked me this question. So I feel I needed to show it. I felt it is something that someone can just by him or herself find their way through, but everybody learn differently, so I just had to do this video, and I'm also doing it here just in case you don't want to join my own private community to learn from me. You want to learn from my free videos, no problem. If you can run with that, I wish you success. All right, if you are new to my video and you would like me to mentor you, send me a message to that WhatsApp number displaying on the screen right now. Send me a WhatsApp message to the number displaying on the screen and tell me you want to join. It is not free, yes, it is paid. When you send me a message, I will give you the information that you need. everything that you need. I will provide answers to any question that you have in mind. If you want me to mentor you on how to become a course creator on Udemy, I am available to mentor you if you want to learn through me. Yes. All right. Until next time, see you in my next video.